here. We're going to upgrade the old cable you can see hanging there from the network termination on the side of the eave. We're going to run a Cat6 in to a new location and relocate the NTD up to a more suitable position for the client. Then we're going to run a Wi-Fi access point with a ceiling mounted AP unit, so the customer gets better coverage throughout the whole house. We just ran some tests and got excellent coverage on the AP unit. So we'll get started. So this is the NTD we're relocating. It's been mounted on the ground floor at the rear of the unit and the living area where they require it's upstairs.